everyone, welcome to another section on Mastering Code Calls. Today we are tackling a common objection that you will hear, and that objection is that I'm not a decision maker. Now, it's easy to feel stuck when you hear this, but don't worry, it's actually an opportunity. Instead of seeing this as a dead end, we're going to use a structured yet effective response that keeps the conversation moving forward. And on that note, let's break it down using the EIQR framework, which stands for the Empathize, Isolate, Question, and Resolve framework. Now, how do we empathize? First, we acknowledge their role and show understanding. Of course, a simple response can be something like, I completely understand many people I speak with and the final decision maker, and I know how important it is to get the right information in front of the right people. Now, why does this work? It works because it helps to lower the resistance and makes them feel heard. Next, we want to make sure that there aren't any other hidden objections. We ask something like, aside from needing the decision maker involved, is there something else that might stand in the way if this solution is a good fit? Now, this question actually ensures that we are addressing the real concern, not just accepting a surface level objection. And after that, we move forward to the question part of the framework. Now, let's engage them in the process. Instead of shutting down the conversation, we gently ask, just so I understand, how does your team typically evaluate solutions like this? Do you play a role in gathering information or making recommendations? This positions them as an important part of the decision-making process. Of course, many of them are. Why would we be calling them in the first place? And we advance to the part where we try to resolve all we've been discussing, because without a resolution, there's no way you can get the conversation moving forward that would even lead to an appointment. So finally, we guide this next step in a way that keeps them involved. So I usually say something like, one of the variations, here's what I would suggest. I'll share some key insights with you. And if it makes sense, we can loop in the decision maker together. That way, you have everything you need to help your team make an informed choice. How does that sound? Now, notice that we're not just looking to push our product, we're actually looking to partner with them. By using this approach, we keep the conversation open, increase the chances of getting to the real decision maker, and position yourself as a valuable resource rather than just another salesperson. So next time you hear the "I'm not the decision maker" objection, simply don't panic. Use the structured way that I just told you that to help you stay confident and keep the conversation going forward. Trust me, you will thank me for this. You want more trainings like this? Drop a comment below and I'll keep dropping videos like this. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.